Have you ever thought of a vending machine in UAE could earn 24/7 with zero staffing? In this video, we will break down everything you need to know about starting a vending machine business in the UAE. The UAE vending machine market generated over USD 185 million in 2024 and is expected to grow steadily through 2030. Dubai alone attracts more than 60 millions of tourists annually, and the country's largest expatriate population prefers fast, convenient, and contactless services. Today, over 60% of vending machines in UAE support digital payments, showing a strong shift towards a smart vending. The UAE offers one of the most businesses friendly environments in the world with 0% personal income tax, only 9% of corporate tax for businesses with a revenue above AED 3,75,000. Strong infrastructure and logistic, high foot traffic in malls, metro station, offices, and airports. This combination makes vending machine a low risk, scalable business model. To operate legally, you need a vending machine trade license. The typical license costs AED 10,000 to 15,000. A mainland company is recommended because it allows you to place machine anywhere in Dubai, including a premium location if you sell food or beverages. You will also need Dubai municipality health approvals. You can choose between a basic machine costing AED 5,000 to 15,000, smart vending machines which will cost around AED 20 to 50,000. Smart machine accept card pays, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and offer remote inventory tracking, sales reports, and real time monitoring, making operations far more efficient. Location is the most critical success factor. Top performing spots include a shopping mall, metro station, office, buildings, gyms, hospitals, and universities. Best selling products include beverages and snacks near theatre and parks, healthy food options, ready meals near workplaces, phone accessories in malls, protein drinks near gyms, and personal care items. Starting with one machine typically costs 20 to 30,000 AED, including licensing, and then expand to more after studying the market. A well-placed vending machine can generate AED 3,000 to 8,000 in a monthly revenue, with profit meaning of 20 to 30%, meaning AED 750 to 2,000 profit per machine per month. Scaling is simple, just add more machines in best location. There will be some common challenges like high location rents, competition, and machine maintenance. A vending machine business in the UAE offers real potential for passive income for people working when done right. With smart planning, good locations, and modern machines, this business can grow steadily over time. See you soon with another business related content. If you are a person planning to start a business in UAE, subscribe this channel. We will keep you informed with the latest updates.